The transformation of the transmission mode of lime powder ball press is as follows. First, the motor drives the hard tooth surface reducer, and the low-grade output of the reducer is the parallel surface of two shafts, which drives the ball roller to run relative according to the gear coupling. The feeding machine adopts spiral drive and water separator. This kind of transmission mode, the ball roller rotation is stable, the transmission gear life is long, the transmission torque is large, and the working pressure of the roll surface reaches about 100 kilonewtons, which is generally used in the metalurgy. Second, the motor drives the reducer, and the low-grade output shaft of the reducer is a single shaft. The relative speed of a pair of big gears on the work roller of the ball press is driven by the shaft connecting device. That is, the suspension-type gear transmission mode. 3 is the improved version of the suspension-type gear into a gearbox. Expand the transmission torque, improve the total output. 4 is the open transmission mode. That is, the motor immediately drives several open transmission gear.